be. You and I will fall in love.
Na sila ng masasabi.
Sorry. Sobra ninyong irresponsible. You should respect our time.
Bakit sila nag-mention ng sabi, pag na
Anong akala ninyo? Yung introduction, self-opinion?
sinong mapala.
Hello guys, I've been waiting for hours already.
Uy, nabanggit ko pa mo dun sa podcast ko nung first episode. Thank you to KD for making the alawa. This is KD. Oh my God! Vlog mo yan ba? Talagang... This is locally made from the Philippines and this is 5,000 each. Oo nga. Ayos ko. Talaga.
Hello guys, pati na kami. Cheers! Go thumbs up! Kantahan na siya. KJ Liabot can answer the question right now. Watch it.
Mag-computer ganyan.
Like gawin yung ano,
Magkaya kagaling.
control daw siya. Ano ba yan?
Hi guys. Ba't magkamukha kayo?
So, good afternoon everyone, especially to all of the fun. So, good afternoon everyone. And we are the researchers. So,
What is the experience of this? What is the learning, KD? The learning of this, don't panic. Ay, dadali ko.
Hindi ka pa tapos ka na ba? Hindi na. Ikaw?
Hindi ako nagkanin din po.
bawal ako magpa-professional after mag-prep. At least meron ako napaproduce na, no, na result. Hindi, yung data niya, hindi. Talagang magkapagkarahan nila kami.
Totoo pala nakakasira ng relasyon ng thesis. Parang ito na yun.
Love you, bebe ko.
Chapter 1.
Chapter 1 lang pa.
Chapter 2 bomba.
Chapter 3 comes down.
Chapter 4 baka ano. Hi everyone! Mag-i-interview tayo ng mga kaklase ko kung okay na sila sa thesis nila.
Hi, I'm KJ Nyabut, and my role in this thesis is being the most brainy person and the most beautiful girl. I'm doing good. Duh, you can set my smile. And I'm done. Bye.
Hi everyone.
What is your name and what is your position in this group?
Hi everyone, I'm Kane Sampson and today's video. Hi everyone, I'm KD and my role in this group is to damage all the people, to have an inclusivity and destroyability.
How are you in this thesis?
I'm fine, I'm actually doing it now. So
Hi everyone, my name is Cindy Naraog, and my position is I am the most beautiful girl in this group.
How's thesis now?
Sal Santillan from Lubao, Pampanga.
What is your position in this group?
I'm the muse.
How's thesis?
It's giving.
It's giving what?
This is the outfit number 1. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. That's our little pose in the side. Hey, hey. Okay, thank you for watching.
Okay, Rick.
Kumusta yung thesis? Ano ba? Wala.
I'm so tired.
Filming.
This is the reaction of thesis. Too good, 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 too good. What is your reaction? Walang kwenta. Okay.
Wala ka pang nagagawa. Ay, so nila na lang kulang. Apat! Ang topic mo. Ay, yun talaga yung wala nyo. Pa, kayong dalawa pa talaga nagtulungan doon. Oy, deadline hanggang ano lang. 8.
Missing someone with all your missing someone with
Pa-picture po.
Ano, Bobby? This is so sensitive of you.